Numbers 1. Neat D1965 Ford F100 long bed, $6,500. This Ford F100 has been a dependable workhorse for 40 years and remains in remarkably original condition. Equipped with its factory inline-6 engine and column-shift manual transmission, it shows an incredibly low 20,200 miles, used sparingly as a local work truck. Solid body and clean frame make this an excellent candidate for light restoration or continued use as a reliable vintage work truck. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet Silverado, $10,000, Kansas City, Missouri. A second-owner truck with 100,500 miles. This Silverado presents straight body lines and minimal rust thanks to factory undercoating. Finished in red with an automatic transmission, it runs well and has been well maintained for the past decade. Though paint is thin, it remains a strong, clean-bodied survivor, ideal for light restoration or daily driving. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet 4x4 Shortbed, $9,950, Wickenburg, Arizona. This classic 1986 Chevrolet K10 4x4 is powered by a 350 small block engine with automatic transmission. Recently fitted with a new battery, it runs and starts reliably. The four-wheel drive system functions well, making it equally suitable as a daily driver or a restoration base. Its short bed configuration is highly desirable among collectors. Number 4. 1988 GMC Sierra 2500, $9,000, Belen, New Mexico. Featuring a rebuilt V8 engine and automatic transmission, this Sierra 2500 comes equipped with new tires, rims, brakes, and shocks, along with a 6-inch lift. With the odometer rolled over, it is presented as a rugged 4x4 in solid condition. The combination of fresh mechanicals and cosmetic upgrades makes it appealing to those seeking a ready-to-drive classic work truck. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet S-10, $7,000, Grants Pass, Oregon. This S-10 has been extensively modified for performance, boasting a 355 cubic inch engine with forged pistons, racing cam, aluminum roller rockers, and Sanderson headers. Paired with a turbo hydro 350 transmission and narrowed Ford 9-inch rear differential, it is built for speed rather than efficiency. A lightweight pickup with a serious racing pedigree, this is a high-performance toy for enthusiasts. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet R10 4x4, $10,000, Kalispell, Montana. A one-owner truck kept in a garage most of its life, this Chevrolet R10 shows 127,602 miles and retains its originality. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with factory air, manual transmission, dual fuel tanks, and a camper shell, it starts easily and runs without leaks. This well-preserved example offers excellent restoration potential. Number 7. 1963 Chevrolet C20 flatbed, $10,000, Santa Rosa, California. This rare C20 features a custom redwood flatbed and a fresh exterior in its original blue finish. With only 42,000 miles, the truck is powered by a strong 292 inline-6, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The interior remains original with tasteful upgrades such as a new carpet, radio, and custom steering wheel. An exceptionally clean, ready-to-work or show truck. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet C20 Silverado, $6,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A 2WD camper special, this C20 comes with a 350 V8 fitted with Edelbrock intake and carburetor upgrades. Showing 98,000 miles, it runs well and includes working air conditioning, new battery, and auxiliary fuel tank. Cosmetic issues include small rust spots and a damaged fuel gauge, but mechanically it is sound and road ready. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet C1500, $6,000, Windsor, California. This single-cab, long-bed C1500 runs and drives despite high mileage at 263,000. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 with throttle body injection and automatic transmission, it has current registration and past smog. The body shows wear with aged paint and dents, but it represents a solid project truck that is still dependable for daily use. Number 10. 1999 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat, $500 Olympia, Washington. Offered at a budget-friendly price, this Ford F-250 with a V10 engine has 249,007 miles and runs despite several issues, including a leaking brake line, non-functioning heater, and faulty gauges. Once dependable, it now requires repairs before returning to work duty. For $500, it is a low-cost entry into heavy-duty pickup ownership. Number 11. 1988 Toyota Extended Cab 4x4 Deluxe, $9,500, Auburn, California. This V6-powered Toyota 4x4 shortbed pickup is exceptionally clean for its age, showing 112,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it remains largely original with no major modifications. Well maintained with no leaks, it runs and drives reliably. These Toyota trucks are renowned for their durability and are becoming increasingly collectible in solid condition. Number 12. 1989 GMC dump truck, $8,440, San Jose, California. This heavy-duty GMC dump truck is powered by a V8 with an automatic transmission and has 154,329 miles. It is described as running well, making it a dependable choice for work. Offered with a clean title, it is an affordable vintage utility vehicle that remains functional for hauling duties. Number 13. 1972 Chevrolet K10 4x4, $7,500, Middleton, Idaho. A strong candidate for restoration, this K20 comes with a 350 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. With its odometer rolled over at 100,000 miles, it shows minor rust, but includes fresh tires, a new high-torque starter, and refurbished steering box. Built in Flint, Michigan, it retains its original 1972 block, making it appealing to collectors. Number 14. 1977 Chevrolet 10 Scottsdale, $9,000, Fairfield, Idaho. This one family-owned K10 remains largely original except for a heavy-duty rear end, making it capable of towing and hauling. Showing 89,424 miles, it is powered by a 350 V8 with Carter carburetor and manual transmission. Solid and dependable, it stands out as a well-preserved survivor, ready for work or restoration. Number 15. 1967 Kaiser Jeep M715 Hardtop, 5/4 ton, $8,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. A military surplus vehicle converted for civilian use. This M715 is powered by a rebuilt AMC 360 V8 paired with a BorgWarner T18 manual transmission. It features numerous modifications, including disc brakes, custom wheels, roll bar, and upgraded steering. Extras include a matching M101 trailer, spare body panels, and troop seats. While it requires paint and muffler work, it is a rugged and rare classic military truck.